Well, good afternoon. John here again. Took a little break here, drinking my pomegranate water, and just kind of stopped here. I'm about 4 miles up from the house. It's kind of a nice little spot here to stop underneath this deadfall. See the river's back down. It's pretty nice level actually right now. It's cleared up a little bit. It's not quite as chocolate milky. But alrighty. Looks like can't tell if it's a canoer or a kayaker coming down river. Maybe a double. Alrighty. You have a good one. God bless.